Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines here with some holiday tips. This year, for the December holidays, I'm glazing ham. I'm going to make my glaze with some orange juice, honey, a couple tablespoons of mustard and brown sugar, and I have some Christmas spices. I'm going to add that all to a pot. I'm going to reduce that down by about half until it gets nice and syrupy. But first, I'm going to prep the ham, so let me show you how I do that. First, I'm going to remove the skin. Sometimes these hams will have a little bit of a peel on them. Go ahead and remove that first. Next step, I like to cut a diamond pattern. Just take a large kitchen knife. I'm going to start from the top. I'm going to work my knife around, making concurrent cuts in opposite directions. Cutting in a diamond pattern is really quite simple. I just make cuts in this direction, and then I just work in the opposite direction, making the same cuts. And with these nice diamond cuts, allow the ham to expand, the heat to penetrate, and somewhere for the glaze to go. Okay, when I'm done with my diamond cuts, I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 45 minutes and warm it up. My ham is nice and warm. You can see that diamond pattern allows the ham to really open up, giving it a chance to spread and makes it more tender. Okay, I'm going to brush my glaze onto my ham, and there's two different ways that you can finish the glaze. You can pop this back into the oven. There's a lot of sugar in this, so keep an eye on it, making sure that it doesn't burn on you. Or, and this is kind of fun, I get in there with the blowtorch. This is Chef Mark. Hope to see you soon.